Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about negative number 3s squared ds. Because we have the negative sign, that's why we have the negative in here. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you got about 3s squared. Later that, we don't have negative number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. Number 3, you got about 1 over 9. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the last one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. The integration of e to the power of e to the power of u, you got about 1 over 3 e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.